This is a short presentation on Quisen's standard tools. Okay, of course we can draw lines. Here, whenever we do draw a line, we can change the line thickness and we can change the color. Very simply, just choose the color that you want and it will annotate. Okay, so that's great. We can also select shapes, and we can do the same here with changing the thickness, opacity of the fill color and the boundary. Here we can erase annotations only, which is really useful. If you've imported a slide, you can reset it completely, and here you can do a clear screen all. So that's a very useful functionality that we have. As well as that, here we've got handwriting recognition, and you can also use that with language packs from Windows in order to use it with French, Spanish, etc., all the languages that they're supporting. Here we have capture tools, so we have USB or IP or integrated webcam input, screen record, 2 to 4 minutes, more or less, audio record and audio import, screen capture, and viewer archive. Just to explain this section here, so we just say this is slide 1. When I choose this plus sign, I can capture slide 2. So this is slide 1, this is slide 2. I can change my backgrounds, and I can also annotate as well over the internet, and it could be over PPT. So let me just open up Word document, whatever it is, capture that slide. So we can work over Word. You can still continue to use the tools that pre-exist within Word as well. So it's very flexible. Let me go back here to a whiteboarding mode. And then also just mention here that we have a preferences section, which you might want to avail of. So change the theme, icon colors, toolbar location from left to right, hide cursor, remember last background, auto hide this menu, touch friendly, touch to type, and clear screen prompt. That is the standard tools explained. Thank you.